Hello friends, today I have come to my grandfather's farm. As you can see, do you know what kind of flower is this? Yes, it's right. It's a red gram crop, and there are lots of it over here and over here too. But the top ones are the best. See? Oh, look, like this is a caterpillar ate all the leaves. Have you ever seen a caterpillar eat all the leaves? If you have, yes. Okay, so come further. This is so grassy in here, you can see. Okay, and here all reddish stones, reddish. But humans didn't use color, it is just nature. Okay, come further. Here. See? And this. Do you know what plant is this? Do you know what plant is this? Do you know? If you don't, you can see it has red stem like the red gram plant, but it has a green stem. Means I also don't know about this plant. If you know, just write the name underneath my video. Okay, see? Okay, let's go further. Look, this is a scarecrow. It was going to build it, but it destroyed by a flock of swans. Okay, let's go further. Okay, do you know what plant is this? It's very long. Let me plug it. Okay, this is Jory. See, it's very sticky as well. Eek. You can also stick it to glue or anything. But some humans this is took out and made in glue. But that's wrong. Okay, come on. Coming further now. Can you see what else is new here? Just check if you can see. Okay, see, there is like red gram plants and stems, but no red gram flowers. That's one. Okay, and can't you see this is just like a jungle, right? If you know where jungle means and I am in a farm, then can you tell? Okay, see all around me, then you know if it's a jungle or a farm. Did you see everything? All around me is all this. If you know jungle and farm differences, just share me the video, share me the link. Okay, so come further over here. It's so hard to get in and out. Come inside, come in. It's very bushy as well. See, this is my brother. He is also going to help me. Adi, what can see all around you? This, what is this? This is wood. And my mother is going to help as well. Okay. Wait, here she comes. Just wait there. If you move, statue. Okay. Okay, this is my mother. Her. Okay. So tell me about whatever you know. What is this? Yeah. Bye bye. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.